Hi, myself Rashmi here. I have attended today's webinar on emotional behavior disorder on 27th February. So today's webinar, it was like a really informative kind of interactive session. So not only today's webinar, each webinar from Asian College of Teaching. So they are all very informative sessions I have attended. So as a mother of a special kid, so I am learning so much things, so which will be helpful for me. Okay, so today's session, it was very excellent. It was very good. It was informative, and I think 3 hours are very less for this kind of sessions. So, and Kuhu ma'am shared that piece of that music. So it was very relaxing. So it was like we have absorbed everything from past 2.5 hours, and at the end we are feeling so much relaxed. So yeah, that is, and thank you so much, Kuman. Thank you so much, Anamita ma'am, and thank you so much, everyone in this webinar. Thank you so much.